Okay, so we got 3 minutes till the open. There was a contract, how it's called? Futures contract, different contract, moved to the another one, to the second one, to the whatever. How? Uh, I forgot the term. Okay, so the biggest issue is right now that I don't have any support and resistance lines. But overall, what I want to see, I connected here and I said I want to go long because bounce of the VWAP, it's yesterday's value low. We are coming back to value area high, middle POC, maybe to highs. I don't know, plus a green candle overall. I would definitely expect on the open the push to the upside for that. So I might actually, okay, that's a bit of a pivot point. I would like actually to enter already with my 4 contracts and with this risk, and I want this open to carry us all over to the top. 40, okay, so 50 ticks. 125. I think I could be also good with less a little bit. I'm entering my trade just before the open. I know 1.5 minutes left, but I am giving just enough room for that. And if it even drops to here, maybe I'm too early, but I'm still feeling like okay, it's not confident. Now I feel like I'm wrong, but I'm still thinking we are going to the upside because of this trend, this wedge, this break to the top side. I mean, to go down, maybe that could be also a target potentially, but I don't know. I just think there's too much like it could be easier to pop there. I'm telling you. Yes, I entered a bit too early. I see that. But trust the process, boys. Trust the process. There's nothing else matters. 25 seconds and the market will just drop and will wipe out my 4 days profits. No, not 4 days actually. It's yeah, 4 days because I this week I increased my size on demo. But maybe that's not the big issue, you know. Maybe, maybe, and let's go. Can we carry on to the top of the mountain? Can we go up and up and up for the fit? Oh my god, how many? What the? Oh, that's not good. What? 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 I mean, I'm probably still. What? That was not a good thing to see. I mean, okay, I would like, damn. I think I'm to the last tick, but I probably will get fill. There must be another push. Okay, I would be in drawdown right now. Okay, this touch of one tick. I don't know, man. This ain't right. Look, one last. Okay, this is not well. Like, but let's see. I've been hitting here, right? It was 50. We went and drawn on for 30. Now it's 40. Jeez. Jeez Louise. For example, if I would be wrong, I mean, if I would be short from here, let's say from here, I was like impatient bastard and I got short from here, the bottom of the bottom. I would have be still in the trade because my risk would have been like this top. And now I would be in profit. Okay, I would like it's a weird open. We might be breaking for 500s right now. And you know what is going, but like there's too much. I'm not taking that. I would take if we come to 400s, I would take a bounce for 50 ticks. But in this certain situation, I'm not taking this bounce because we've been like the liquidity is very scarce here, so we might just break and not stop here. So I'm not taking that. Oh, okay. Uh, okay. Look at this. Look at this beauty. So we have 32. 32. Oh point. Oh no. Okay, let's make this just to make sure I am. And we're still dropping. And we're still dropping. Yes, we went for 500s. Here we went for something. It's gonna be 0.3, I suppose so. I would love this to be not so violent and to stop dropping a little bit because like if we is it possible for us to go back and okay, I have to do this. There's no other option. Why? Because that's my setup. And today I have 50% chance of winning. So in that certain situation, I am willing to risk, yep, $7 for that. And if we would be in futures market, I would definitely like put this like that. Good. And yeah, probably we will definitely come back visit that. Maybe we will not continue all the way for this candle. Maybe. I don't know. But we'll see. We'll see. I have 50% chance of. Oh my God. Did you see the fucking fill? Oh my God. Did you? Oh my Lord. Oh my. Oh. Just to show you the difference. If I risk 150, I would have to take three contracts, four contracts, and I would be filled exactly where I would be filled. And now, like, I cannot do this. Oh my snap. Oh, that was the worst fill I ever seen. I'm telling you, that was the worst fill I have ever seen. Percentage wise, I mean, I haven't seen such fill for a long time. And we are like running down. I mean, this trade might be a good trade, but this is stupid. This is stupid. Okay, this 5 minute candle is my risk. It's below that one. But no, it's a different story. Just totally different. Everything is different. Okay, let's put it somewhere here then. I mean, that's why I get not 14, not 13, but 12 and a half. Yikes. Well, we come back here. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, we're coming back. We might test that and we might be coming back. Okay, no problem. I'm good with this. But you know, this fill, this fill. It's just fuck. Oh, brother. I don't know. I don't know, brother. That fill is the worst fill I ever had. Like literally. I have not seen such piece of shitty action. Wait, what the wait, I am somewhere not there where I have to be. What? Oh man, that's all good. I am very sorry. I am very sorry for being so rude. I missed myself something. That's on me. That's on me. That's on me. That's definitely on me. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Sorry, 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 sorry. Okay, my kid is crying with bloody tears. Kiefki. Rabbit, my rabbit. Let's do the. Okay. Below the lows, far for the limp. Wow, that's okay. Let's go, pump it up now. Let's go, let's go. Are you still in the range? By the way, 50 for 50. What's the 50? What's the 50? Just below 50. If we have a good momentum, we are Gucci to go. Yeah, one tick. This is my setup also. Wow, I mean, sorry, very sorry. I thought that this was most ridiculous fill I ever seen, but it's not that bad. Okay, not that bad. So good. God dang. Sorry. Below the slow. Yeah, if you come back here, you're definitely squeezing there. I mean, yeah, 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 no problem. No problemito. I'm just checking my statistics. I'm just checking my things that I wanna check. Gucci. Bambalucci. Son of a bitch. Sorry. Sorry. It was one of the most perfect fills I ever seen. It was like much more realistic than that one on the last stick, and I would be yikes, dead. Maybe on this pullback I would have made a stop loss. Yeah, that would have been the case. Good. Wow, the markets are dropping. They are dropping fast. Wait a second. Reversal pattern, reversal pattern. Danger, danger, danger. Ekpesim. Danger, danger, danger. Reversal pattern. I think a lot of people is thinking about this 50 level, and right now is the case where I wanna do some moves. I want this actually, like this might be end of the story, you know. So do I trust myself or do I trust the stats? That is the question. If I would have closed that, that was like 75% or something, right? And right now, if we are coming back and squeezing through that area, that's obviously a very, very nice continuation to the downside. If we're squeezing through here, that's all good. But if we're coming back again, uh, then you know the 500s are in play, which is like above my break even. And I would probably, if I would be here and here and here, I would definitely be stopped out. From the price action, I think we see something not bad right now. Now that we came back to the same area, let's see if we can break through that area. If we can, then that's still a very good short, but right now I'm thinking actually break even. I'm thinking to make this trade break even because, like, if we come back, squeeze that, we definitely go here, maybe here, 500s, maybe back to VWAP. That's a very interesting level, and I think if we come back to 500s, that means we are still in the range and waiting today for Fed Fund news, and the market doesn't want to continue to dropping down, so that's good for me to have such trade. I'm not against that. And but if we drop a little bit down, we will break certainly this level and we'll go for 50s, which will be my profit, take profit. So let's see what happens. Uh, I have like it's just probabilities, and today I have good probabilities. I quite like the price action at least for now. There's nothing bad for it. I like that we came here, rejected, but then we stopped. So this area, if it got triggered, and again, if we squeeze through there, there's a very nice. Okay, so there's another pivot point. There's lots of orders. So the question is right now, if we can, do we take out the order? First of all, no, we don't. We are looking for continuation, for just one, two, three, drop. You know, this is what we're looking for, and it's having a hard time, right? There's some buyers, big buyers, stepping up here. They're buying the market, but still market somehow wants to come back, right? Now this is the question. Like the price action slowed down. It went up, but it slowed down, and we are coming back. Now, again, will we see some buyers? This is a very nice area to like think about your uh yeah, it's kind of a reversal, a little bit reversal pattern, to say that the least. And yeah, let's wait for it. Ne, šito negali. Wiggle, 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 jiggle, wiggle, 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 jiggle. Uh, yeah, we'll bet stopped out. Is it still a good trade? Is it still valid? Uh, the winds has changed. I mean, we're pushing up. We're kind of slowly grinding up, which is indicating me that we might not be the case. Okay. Like 500 is obviously was the reason to be there, but yeah, like um, if it turns around from this price action, I'm not against it. I would still think it's good that I trailed my stop loss. It's a zero trade, but you know, these pivots, yeah, they showed us that buyers stepped in with big volume, and that we should be considering also. Now we can take a long leg to the VWAP because it looks like it's going to go there, right? But it's like a freaking slow market, so whatever. Yeah, like maybe. I'm not taking these off, you know. Oops, sorry, like that. Yeah, again, pivot. See? And 182, 134. What's that to be exact? 73, yes. It looked like 75-ish percent. To the VWAP, I said, right? So I've been like here for 50, yeah, good trade. Yeah, and I said like if I put on 500 below here, it will be taken out. 500 taken out, this one taken out, and if this one's taken out, so probably this one and probably this one will be taken out. So I think I did a very good decision. A very, very, very good decision. Yeah. Well, that was how would you call that? One tick. Would I have wiggled myself out at least for, let's say, if we are here and then we go here, almost take my target here, bounce off the up, you know, you see the grind up, up, but you move your stop loss right here because you say if it comes back here through the view up, it drops. Maybe I'm wrong. So that's 50. Okay, so that's I would like in my mind, I would have made that. I would have done that. Like in live, hell knows, but I think I would, you know. And here, like this thing, right? It's pity we didn't break that, but it happens. But also what I've seen, what to back up my thought of again break even, that today is Fed fund rate day, right? And if we squeeze there, that means we are breaking the lows, grinding. Oh, see. Look, you see, I know you, NQ. I know you. I feel you. I know you. And I like that. I like that I know you. Big order trades. Big trades. Hey boy, why aren't you showing up? Big trades. On tick chart maybe they're separate trades. Minimum volume 50? Maybe on tick chart it's not showing. Wait, what? 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 Oh, excuse me? Why is and why are you rectangular? Oh, how to filter what? Rectangular? Okay, so now I know what I see, but that's quite weird. That's quite weird because I'm not seeing. Okay, so let's do this. Cumul. Oh, wowzers. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Sorry. Let's do at least 100. 200. Huh? Jeez, that's weird. Okay. I should. What? Why I'm not seeing those? What happened there? Because did they change something? Fix size, show above chart, show values. Thank you. Okay, so we are. That's weird that it's not showing them. There was nice. Okay, so overall, perfect trading day. We are here, nothing. Oh, hello. Okay, sorry. Oops. What's the realized PNL? Why aren't not showing? It's like 30 cents probably, right? Ouch, wowzers, what the hell? No, trading you sucks. 14 cent. Oh, minus. Oh my fucking lord. Minus 14 cents. So my equity is like that. And it's coming back. And if it's coming back that hard, I want to actually put that one in. So that took out me. Definitely. No questions asked. Like, but the market's unpredictable, very unpredictable. And on demo, it's like what 9999995 99995. Good. Thank you for what? Let's just wait a few seconds because markets, if it's dropping like that, we might get this. It's possible. It's definitely possible. Still possible. I would bet on shorts here. I'm not betting in the middle of the range, but to break, it's easy. Like, look, super easy. Let's take a look one thing. 500s, right? 30, 40. The bounce of that. Here, I don't think there was a legit bounce. Yeah, it's just this level is not respected in the way that it should be because there's lots of overnight supply and demand over there. Oh well. So wait. For example, if I would not have like if there would not be this wick, if the market would be here and like here turn around, what I would think to myself, did I made a bad decision to break even? No, I would still think it's a good decision. Even if it was wicked there, it's still a good decision to see this, to have a break even, because we are not expecting a lot from today, since at 9 o'clock in the evening we'll have a Fed fund rates decision, which will indicate it has also 90 plus percent chance of lowering rate cut is what's 25 points, it's quarter of a point, quarter of percent. So that means we are pricing in this. And I think well, if they decide not to cut it, so the markets will close the gap. You know what gap? Sorry. This gap will be closed tonight if markets decide to, if Powell decides not to cut the rates. But if Powell decides to cut the rates more than we expected, I think in the short run we will go quite high. Okay, just a second. Go for 50. Okay, 50 ticks is all I ask, right? And by the way, my initial target is taken, which is nice, which is nice. What's the drawdown? I've been in a drawdown for what, 20 ticks right now? I'm not glad that it's not continuing. I know that it's hard for it to be 50s and it might bounce back to here. It's very plausible, but I'm not expecting to bounce it to here. Okay, I'm not expecting that. So we are minus 50 ticks. Okay, okay. So this is now 1-to-1. Now it's even worse. Will we go for another break, or that was just the last grab of liquid? Yeah, that push was insane. That was a long push. That's why I can tell you. It was a long push. And I'm in the drawdown for, yikes, 2-to-1. Well, sometimes I have to lose, I know. But if it's this a pivot, I'm moving my stop loss to here. We know that Nasdaq likes to come back to some areas where it previously visited. Also, this area with big trades is a very good magnet. Boy, again. Here we go again. Yeah, that's a slowdown. I'm doing this one. Yeah, it's definitely pivot. If we break up to that, I'm just not interested in this trade anymore. And it's quite like sad in a way. Okay. We've been here. My stop loss was here. Okay. Let's wait for that. So I'm what? Minus 700. Yeah, unfortunate. Unfortunate. There's nothing I can do to you.